As heard on the Morning Grill.
I told you earlier on, I've got a very gifted poet coming through. His name is Khanyisa Majozi, well known as Brajozi the Poet. Good morning.
Sanibonani ninjani Nandosi. Nibingelelwa ke uqiniso Khanyisani Majozi, uBrajozi the Poet. Wathuma ngenqezi ngqetheva amaqopho omkhulu ifranje khapha nje mdaka into edluphuthu ngeplan. Iqiniso lamaqiniso laqiniso ngokuliqiniso. Ngisho ubukhali bembaze intomini ezimnyama nezomhlophe usigaqa sanyanisa abathi mabesibheka abakhala inyembe zonke zikhwapha. Sanibonani abusheni Dumela.
Any final message just to encourage Amanondokas before you go?
Ngathini, just believe in yourself, believe in time. Time is always on the right time. Time is timing on the right timing.
Nazo.
Danke.
Danko.
I'm gonna shine in the dark like the stars of Sugu. Free all day,
The Morning Grill on Nando's Heatwave Radio.